Hello class 6. Welcome back to the third part of your subject verb agreement. So children, indefinite pronouns. You know what are indefinite pronouns? जो definite नहीं होते, जिसमें हमें पता नहीं होता हमारे को. ठीक है, जैसे everybody, everyone, nobody, जिसके बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं है, indefinite है. So they are taken as singular verbs. जैसे everybody is waiting for the dinner to start. तो everybody हमें नहीं पता एक है दो हैं कितने हैं. So we'll take it as singular only. But like words like few, many, several, both, all and some, they always take the plural form. Few भी हैं तो भी ज़्यादा होंगे, many हैं तो भी ज़्यादा होंगे, several हैं तो भी ज़्यादा होंगे, both हैं तो दो हैं, all, some, they are always in the plural form. Few seats are still vacant. Few लगा दिया हमने, seats लगा दी, are still vacant. If two infinitives, infinitives क्या होते हैं? Verb followed by to, जिसके साथ में to लगा होता है, वो verbs. If the two infinitives are separated by and से separate हुए हैं, they take the plural form of the verb. वो plural form लेते हैं, जैसे to walk and to climb. Both are infinitives and they are two. They take plural form of the verb and plural verb, that is require great stamina and skill. Now, when gerunds are the verbs which end with ing. Right? Gerunds are the verbs which end with ing. When gerunds, ing forms of verb, functioning as nouns, उनको noun बना दिया जाता है जब gerunds, जब like swimming, dancing, laughing, sitting, जब ये noun की form में लिए जाते हैं, then and they are used as the subject of a sentence, उनको subject भी बनाया हुआ होता है, noun लेकर के उनको subject बनाया गया होता है, और उस sentence में they take the singular form of the verb. But when they are linked by and, जब वो and के साथ एक से ज़्यादा जुड़े होते हैं, they take the plural form of the verb. Very easy. Swimming singular है, एक ही है, is a great exercise. Swimming and dancing दो हो गए, it is taken as plural. So are my favorite hobbies. Now collective nouns. Collective nouns आपको पता है कि it is a kind of group of nouns. So we take it as singular, right? The parliament is in session. So parliament is singular. Herd of cows, singular. We are not taking cows. We are taking the collective noun herd. Crowd is collective noun, singular. Class is collective noun, singular. Team is collective noun, singular. Now come to here the exceptions. Many collective nouns can take a plural verb if individual members or specimen of the group are thought of. अगर हम sentence में सोचते हैं उनके individual members के बारे में, that time we can take them as plurals. Suppose the audience was listening to the speaker attentively. So here audience is taken as the group of members together. So it is taken as one. But the audience were busy. Now here we are talking about the members of the audience. So taken as plural. Okay. Now comparing here, the jury was unanimous in its verdict. So jury taken as the members. All the members are taken in a jury. But the jury were divided in their verdict. अब उनके हर member को divide कर दिया गया. It all depends upon the sentence, how it speaks. If it is taken as for the individual members of the group or the collective noun, then we'll take it as plural. Otherwise, we'll take it as singular only. Now come to the next part. Titles of books, whether they are in singular or plural, they are always taken as singular verb. They always take singular verb. The Pirates of the Caribbean is a famous series because it is a name, singular name है ये. चाहे इसमें plural हो चाहे singular हो, it is always taken as singular. Stories of Panchtantra is a very popular children's book. It is singular. Some nouns like people, police, cattle. अब ये क्या है? They appear to be singular. लगते तो ये singular हैं, but they are always taken as plural and they take a plural verb. The police are investigating the case. The cattle are grazing in the pasture. people don't like corrupt politicians. So plural, 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 plural verb, plural verb, plural. Now certain nouns like news, physics, furniture, measles, they appear to be plural, लगते तो ये plural हैं, but they are taken as singular and they take singular verb. Physics is not my cup of tea. ठीक है? Our new furniture is very beautiful. Measles is a viral disease. Singular, 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 singular. Now, certain nouns like spectacles, pants, shoes, scissors, trousers and jeans, they are always plural and they take a plural verb. ठीक है? However, if they are used after the expression, अगर ये a pair of के बाद में use होते हैं, then they are taken as singular noun and they use singular verb. See, my spectacles are imported. My pair of spectacles is imported. So यहाँ तो spectacles को ले लिया हमने plural. अब एक ये pair की बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about the pair. एक pair की बात कर रहे हैं, तो it is singular. Similarly, your jeans are dirty. Your pair of jeans is dirty. जब pair के साथ में यूज करते हैं तो it is taken as singular और जब वैसे लेते हैं तो it is taken as plural. Hope you are through with the subject verb agreement concept. And afterwards now we will take up the exercises in the Zoom class, and those who are not joining my Zoom class, those who are outside my school, they can ask anything they want to ask in the comment box. Goodbye children and take care.